the Hero 6. So which is better, the Hero 6 or the Hero 5? We're going to do a really thorough exam of the Hero 6 to find out, is it worth the additional $100, and should you upgrade to the Hero 6 or should you stay with the Hero 5? We'll find out. Let's take a look together. We're going to open this bad boy up right now. So I got it at Best Buy, and I went to the store and just bought it. When I bought it there, they sealed the bag. It's a sealed bag. So I'm about to unseal the bag, and we're going to look at this Hero 6. And we're going to compare the Hero 6 to the Hero 5. All right, here we go. Here we go. There's our, so it's double wrapped. In here and in here too. Put that there. All right, we got to open up this again. Let's take it out. Oh, that's clear. Look at that wrapping. Just looking at it. What a difference. How do you open this thing up without pulling the box all apart? It looks like there's a little tab right here. It looks like you have to pull the tab to open it. Pretty ingenious there. Pull the tab open. Here we go. It's open. Alrighty. Now you know it's been opened. Goodbye! Whoa! There it is. Here's our box. That's a pretty box. Hero 6, Hero 5, Hero 6. Can you see the difference? Not really. Let's see what's inside. Details. Very small print though. Okay, whatever. What's this? Stickers? Stickers. And of course you break it. Alright, so I guess we have to go online for the real instructions. We'll find out. Let's keep going. Underneath this box we have our C cord, our battery, another little piece, and that's it. No security thing in there. Anything else? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. It's every pair of shoes in the place. Yes, of course, you like to try the GoPro shoes. Okay, alrighty. There you go, guys. There's your box. We'll compare. They look like the same size. Here's the Hero 6 going into the Hero 5 case. Will it close? It closed. So that's going to fit in here. And that means my Hero 6 will also fit in my old Hero 5 metal frame. There it goes. Fits right in. Beautiful. Look at that. Alrighty. In a little bit, we'll be converting this Hero 6 into a 52mm camera. But for now, let's keep going. I wonder if my Hero 5 will fit into the Hero 6 frame. Let's find out. Look at that. So my old Hero 5 can also fit into the frame of the Hero 6. So the two fit. Let's look at the frame. Do the frames look any different to you? They look identical. How about the inside? They didn't change the frame one bit. Everything about it's the same. There's the inside. Okay. Will the old battery for the Hero 5 fit into the Hero 6? 11/10/2016 is the date of that battery. This is the original battery. And here's the new battery. The date is 12/16/2016. Fits in just like any other regular GoPro battery. What about the SD card? Put the SD card in. Boy, I always forget. It goes in this way. Okay. In. There you go. It's in. The battery is on empty right now. So the battery came with it is at 0. So I gotta charge this battery up. So I can't go too much further right now because the battery's at 0. I'm gonna charge the battery up and we're gonna test it tomorrow and we're gonna see just how good this thing is the video quality, how it does and everything. We see the battery sizes are the same. It looks like it's the exact same camera, except it's going to be a lot better, much better video quality. Checking the sound, checking the stabilization. We're going to do all that. So stick around, come back tomorrow. I'm Tommy Jerm. See you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. And so far, I'm looking forward to it. We're really testing this out. See you tomorrow.